Good morning. It's Monday, October 20th, and here's everything you may have missed in business and finance since Friday morning. Stocks rebounded after a rocky week. U.S. stocks ended mostly higher on Friday, with all three indices up around 0.5%. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both posted weekly gains after bouncing back from Thursday's dip, which was triggered by concerns over credit issues with regional banks. Analysts now say that those problems seem contained, but JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon weighed in, warning that there could still be ripple effects from the recent bankruptcies we've seen. Big tech mostly had a solid day on Friday with most names in the green, but Amazon continued to underperform, down 0.67%. Sectors like credit cards, payment platforms, Chinese tech, airlines, cruise lines, and logistics companies all outpaced the broader market, and underperformers on Friday included GLP-1 drug makers, metals like copper and aluminum, custody banks, machinery, and trucking. Outside of the stock market, treasuries weakened and the yield curve flattened, meaning that short-term and long-term interest rates are getting closer together, which can signal economic uncertainty, which seems to make sense. The US dollar index ticked up slightly on Friday, but still had its worst weekly performance since August. Gold dropped over 2% on the day, but still surged more than 5% for the week. Oil rose Friday, but logged its third straight weekly decline. Trade tensions between the US and China remain high. There's still no formal confirmation of a Trump-Xi meeting in the near future. President Trump told Fox Business that current tariffs are not sustainable, but expressed confidence in reaching a trade deal. On Sunday, President Trump also mentioned that he plans to keep massive tariffs on India until they stop importing Russian oil. The U.S. government shutdown continues, and the lack of economic data releases is really starting to worry analysts. All eyes are now on the Federal Reserve's meeting next week. Markets expect a 25 basis point rate cut, and investors will be watching closely for clues about future policy moves. Earnings season continues to heat up. Friday brought strong earnings reports from American Express, which beat expectations and raised guidance thanks to strong consumer spending, and Truist posted solid fee income and better than expected credit metrics. Meanwhile, Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk fell after Trump suggested that GLP-1 drug prices could drop pretty fast. That's it. Have a wonderful Monday.